Welcome to Alpha Palliative Care Daily News. Under the leadership of Alpha Punalur Center, an awareness program was organized in collaboration with the Kuthirachira Residents Association as part of the Alpha in Everyone, Always campaign. Anjit Kumar, State Coordinator of Alpha Vision 2030, led a class on the necessity of palliative care and the activities of Alpha. Center Secretary Salim Kutti and Akshay Babu, Kollam District Coordinator of Vision 2030, spearheaded the program. Kuthirachira Residents Association President Ashramat Gopal Krishna Pillai, Secretary Matthew Varghese, Vice President Shashipillai Purayil, Treasurer Dr. Thomas V.I., and other association members participated. Following the class, discussions were held on sponsoring patient care through ECS and the need for volunteers in patient care. The members decided to work towards expanding palliative care activities in the area. Surendran, a well-known carpenter from Thalavadi village, is a name that the people of Kuttanath can proudly present as an example of someone who has returned from weakness and despair through self-confidence and hard work. 4 years ago, a stroke paralyzed one side of Surendran's body, causing him to lose not only his livelihood but also his artistic passion for carving poetry in wood. Instead of waiting in despair for complete recovery from this setback, palliative physiotherapy received from the Alpha Kuttanath Center helped Surendran build a new life. With the support of physiotherapist Jinju and her colleagues, as well as the office bearers of the Kuttanath Center, Surendran overcame his limitations and is now pursuing achievements. Today, everyone's attention is on the poems that Surendran carves in wood through his hard work. Recently, when the members of the Alpha Gunning Council met Padma Shri Dr. Rajgopal, the founder of Pallium India, they presented him with sculptures made by Surendran. As Surendran's sculptures find their place as souvenirs in homes and institutions, they also become a source of income for him. This achievement and happiness belong not only to Surendran but also to the Alpha Kuttanath Center, which is becoming a hope and light for the region. Physiotherapist Jinju, who strengthens Surendran's hands, the Alpha office bearers who energize Surendran's work, those who come for care at Punarjani offering encouragement, and Surendran's family all take pride in this achievement. This concludes the news. Jai Hind.